Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE Rave 3S speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your microphone settings. At first we have to take our microphone from our speaker and turn it on using the power button. As you can see, it's the wrong microphone because it has to have the batteries in it, and I do have two of them. It's this microphone, and let's turn this on. Now go here. As you can see, here we have our karaoke, and we have reverb and vocal enhancer. Let's open the reverb, and here we can manage the strength of our reverb. Now I'm testing that. Here we have the timbre, plate, and hole. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.